Oh my gosh.
Whoa, geez.
Whoa, jeez. It's breaking down the tree. Whoa. Look at that. Look how easily it just pulls the tree out like that. Wait till we show this to your dad. Whoa! I wish we could take this excavator home so it takes the tree out of our backyard. Oh my gosh, Chavi, look at how fast it knocked that tree down. Can you see it okay? Oh my gosh, it's picking up the entire tree. Holy moly, it just knocked that whole tree down in like 1 minute. Roar, look, it's picking up the entire tree. Wow. Cool, huh? No more tree. Bye-bye, tree.